Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, November 12th, 2020, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, we kind of had another half-assed day today, uh, but it could have been a lot worse. Uh, the Dow took a plunge today. It went down hard and then came back here on the last bar, but it still finished down 317 points. I will again reiterate, I find this very strange behavior for a market that only 4 days ago had made all-time record highs back here, and today it's selling off fairly consistently. And you know, I just feel the market's weak. Um, but anyway, we had what about eight or nine positions coming into today. We had those were negative $1,700 in open trade yesterday, and the good part of this is we closed those out positive just over $6,000. So that was real good. And curiously, those stocks improved with the Dow being down, which I also find kind of interesting. But then we managed to get into 14 positions. A lot of positions today. 7 positive, 7 negative, but we're negative 40, well, basically $4,800 negative that we're carrying overnight into tomorrow. And it was really hard getting too much traction. We had a mixture of bad stocks and good stocks, but the bad stocks were a little bit worse than the good stocks. So we end up negative $4,800 in open trade going into tomorrow. Um, Not a whole lot to show you, but I will show you two of our better stocks that we got into today. This first one is NIO Incorporated. That is a Chinese company, I believe. Anyway, about second hour we bought this thing. Um, it kept chugging up there, took a little dip here, and then recovered most of it by the end of the day. But still, we're only up $2,000, but $2,000 positive. I'll take that in NIO. And the one stock that we made some real progress in is basically, it is a short position. It's ProShares Ultra Short. This is a short on the overall market. And because it's the only short that's really available to me, I buy 3 of these positions. So rather than buying 4,000 shares, I buy 12,000 shares. Big position, but it's a hedge against the market crash, and it's got to be a hedge against everything else that we're trading just about. So we got into this halfway through the day, and it kept moving there and really didn't pull back much at the end. So we are up on those 3 positions. We're up $7,000 plus in ProShares Ultra Short. So that was our best thing, and this is functioning today as I mean it to function. It's a hedge against bad sell-offs, and even though we have negative $4,800, we would have been negative, you know, $13,000 without this. So this did its job today. We'll see what happens tomorrow. We're not out of it yet, but I'm very happy to have this hedge position in the portfolio. That's the way it went. This is Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Freaky Friday.